If you accidentally deleted an important note in Evernote, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore deleted notes on the Evernote app, step by step, so you can get your information back quickly and safely. This is a super useful tutorial whether you deleted a note by mistake, need to recover an old note, or just want to understand where deleted notes go in Evernote. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the Evernote app on your desktop. This method works on both Windows and Mac, and it's the easiest way to recover a note that was deleted recently. Once Evernote opens, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is where Evernote keeps your notebooks, shortcuts, and other folders. If you do not immediately see the trash folder, don't worry. Sometimes it is hidden lower down in the sidebar. Just scroll all the way to the bottom and click More. That will reveal additional folders, including Trash. Now click on Trash. This is where Evernote stores deleted notes before they are permanently removed. Once you open Trash, you'll see a list of your recently deleted notes in the middle panel. Take your time and scroll through the list until you find the exact note you want to recover. If you deleted multiple notes around the same time, be careful to choose the right one so you restore the correct content. When you find the note you want, right-click on it. A menu will appear with different options. From that menu, select Restore Note. As soon as you do that, Evernote will move the note back out of Trash and restore it to your account. Depending on your setup, it may return to its original notebook, or appear back in your main notes area, ready for you to open and use again. If you still don't see your note, double-check that you're looking in the correct account and that the note was actually deleted and not archived somewhere else. It's also a good habit to act quickly because deleted notes may not stay in Trash forever. The sooner you restore them, the better your chances of getting everything back exactly as it was. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to restore deleted notes on Evernote app. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Evernote tips and quick software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.